Good morning, students. Today we are going to see activity number 3 of bridge course, and in this activity we are going to see the proper kinds of reading, how to read, while reading, how to pronounce, where to pause, where to give space, and what kind of volume is necessary. So here learning outcomes, competency statements, reads aloud using proper pause, space, and volume. You have to read at first, then read silently with comprehension. Then you have to read with understanding. Reads to seek information from notice board, charts, tables, and other graphic presentation. You have to read the tables, charts, and you have to make also your own sentences. Here instructions for teachers and parents, so it is not necessary for you. We will see the next point, instruction for students. So read the activities given in 1.2 fun and games with Tara and friends. So in 6th standard we have activity of fun and games with Tara and friends. You have to read activity from the 6th standard textbook. Then take the help of parents, teachers, or a dictionary in order to understand the activities. If you have any problem, you can ask us, you can ask also your parents, and you can find in the dictionary. Third point, read the given chart and frame as many sentences as you can. Below you have given a chart and you have to make the sentences from this chart. You have to also write this chart and sentences in your notebook. So read aloud the framed sentences. After framing the sentences, after writing the sentences in notebook, you have to read loudly that sentences. So here is a chart. Read the following chart and frame as many sentences as you can. There are two parts in the table, part 1 and part 2. In the first part, we have given I am, he is, she is, we are, you are, they are, boys are, girls are. And through these pronouns, through these personal pronouns, you have to make the sentences with the help of the part 2. Smiling, reading, swimming in a tank, playing with the ball, laughing, crying, drawing, writing. So here are sentences. I am smiling. He is smiling. Or she is smiling, we are smiling. We can make such a way, or we can also make sentences another way. I am smiling, I am reading, I am swimming in a tank. So we can make sentences such a ways. Then we can make from he is smiling, he is reading, he is swimming in a tank, he is playing with the ball. So you have to make these sentences and write in your notebook. Then next point, we have to make the practice of solved activities. For example, I am smiling, I am reading. You can make your own other sentences also, and you can write in the notebook. You can also take the help of other chart, and through that chart you can make sentences. The 6th standard textbook, page number 2 and 3, you have given many examples You can write that examples also, or you can complete that examples which are incomplete. तुम्हाला इयत्ता 6वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये पान नंबर 2 आणि 3 वरती काही वाक्य दिलेली आहेत. ती वाक्यसुद्धा तुम्ही घेऊ शकता. त्याद्वारे तुम्ही अधिक सराव वाक्य बनवण्याचा करू शकता. The next point, practice. Read the chart and frame as many sentences as you can. Read aloud the sentences that you have framed. तुम्हाला चार्टच्या द्वारे अजून वाक्य तयार करायची आहेत आणि त्याचा सराव करायचा आहे. ती वाक्य मोठ्याने वाचायची आहेत, आपल्या वहीमध्ये लिहायची आहेत. एक्सटेन्शन ॲक्टिव्हिटी, पॅरलल ॲक्टिव्हिटी और रिइन्फोर्समेंट. तर तुम्हाला सरावासाठी अजून काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज तुम्ही स्वतः निवडू शकता. त्यामध्ये टेल द स्टुडंट्स टू ॲड मोर मिनिंगफुल वर्ड्स इन बोथ द कॉलम्स अँड फ्रेम द सेंटेन्सेस. अगोदरच्या पानावरती जो चार्ट दिलेला होता त्यामध्ये 2 पार्ट होते, फर्स्ट पार्ट आणि सेकंड पार्ट. दोन्हीमध्ये सुद्धा तुम्ही अजून शब्द जॉईन करू शकता, घेऊ शकता आणि अधिक मोठी वाक्य त्याद्वारे तुम्ही तयार करू शकता. यू मे ॲड ऑज, वेअर इन्स्टेड ऑफ एम, इज, आर इन द चार्ट. सो इन द चार्ट एम, इज, आर is used. So instead of am, is, are, you can use was, were, shall, will, such a to be's or was, were forms you can use there. म्हणजे तुम्ही वेगळी सुद्धा सहाय्यकारी क्रियापदं की ऑज, वेअर असेल, हॅव, हॅज असेल, विल, शाल वापरू शकता आणि त्याद्वारे इतर वाक्य तुम्ही करू शकता. यामध्ये तुम्हाला इव्हॅल्युशनसाठी फिल इन द गुगल फॉर्म क्विज. गुगल फॉर्मवरती एक प्रश्नावली आहे. त्या प्रश्नावलीमध्ये तुम्हाला लिंक या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहे, फिल इन द गुगल फॉर्म क्विज. त्या लिंकवरती जाऊन तुम्ही त्याच्यावरती आधारित काही जे प्रश्न आहेत ते प्रश्न तुम्ही सोडवू शकता. त्याचबरोबर दीक्षा व्हिडिओज ज्या आहेत त्याच्या लिंक या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या आहेत तर ते व्हिडिओमध्ये आपल्याला दिसतंय त्यासुद्धा तुम्ही सोडवू शकता.